friends, and welcome back to AmandaMuse. So today I am tidying my house, some involvement with tiny humans. Hello.
I got
Stick and a Nerf gun, and you're all sweaty. But yeah, I'm just doing a little tidy. I have neglected my house, so I am putting laundry away, making beds, clearing tops of counters, cleaning bookcases, just getting us a little bit organized. We are mid-reno, tiny reno, just a closet reno. And then just like busy season of life, right? So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's just a mixed match of little before and afters, which I always enjoy. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching.
I know.
You know. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you.
Bye.
Bye. Subscribe if you're new. Okay, let's do this.
Okay, can you stop?
Fire in my soul, lifted by the sunshine. Early life, we're gonna have a good time. Fire in my soul, loving in the sunshine. Paradise, we're gonna have a good time. Fire in my soul.
We're gonna be washing some sheets today. I finally cleared off. I mean, I still have to go through that, but at least I cleared everything off of here and put all of the clothes away. Laundry pile is starting, and we've had a little visitor in our room the last little bit. So I'm about to go and put the bedroom back together because they've just been in my room. But I think if you guys have been watching the vlogs lately, you know that Dean's been traveling a ton, and those two little minions have managed their way into my bed, but I'm not sleeping very well, so we need to get back into this. So I'm just gonna make up Jack's bed, tidy up their space. Jack was playing with some coins on the floor while I was tidying up the bathroom, playing a fun little magnet game. That's awesome. So that's happened. It's just been a lot of explosion. There's like no clothes in their drawers. Total mom fail this week. Yeah, I've got to just, Everything has a place, so I'm gonna just tidy it up. And then Dean and I were chatting this morning and realized that our house is just getting a little bit cluttered. Like, we've accumulated a bunch of stuff over the winter months, and it's time for a lot of stuff to go. So once he's done the closet, which will likely be this weekend, we're gonna just do like a mass spring purge because necessary. So I will definitely document that because that's just so, it doesn't feel good to watch people get rid of stuff. I love it. So, okay, let's get this room tidy.
Fire in my soul, lifted by the sunshine. Early life, we're gonna have a good time. Fire in my soul, loving in the sunshine. Paradise, we're gonna have a good time.
Getting there. So we've got beds made. Had to move everything from that bed to clean to make it. All right, so now it is clothing put away.
Gonna have a good time. Gonna have a good time. Gonna kick back, slip off my shoes. Watch the world go past with you. Easy living the whole day through. Chilling out, nothing better to do. Gonna kick back, slip off my shoes. Watch the world go past with you.
Whoa, there's a sock in there. We have a clean living room, vacuumed. Obviously Dean's still doing construction over there because we're renovating our closet, which you will see in a vlog very soon. But yeah, all nice and clean. Also, I'm actually going out tonight, hence the like hardcore cleaning, and I'm going out tomorrow night. So I feel like I gotta pull my weight. You know what I mean? You know how it is. When you're married or you have a partner, a spouse, and you're like going out without them and they're staying home with the kids, you gotta like pull your own weight a little bit. So dining room is clean. Jack did a little bit of art, so I'm leaving that out for now so he can show Esme. We are clean, garbage taken out, recycling taken out, Counter's clean. Dishwasher is already loaded with other, you know, space for more stuff. And now I am going to be vacuuming upstairs. Esme's room organized. My main focus was getting the bookcase all organized. There were just books everywhere. We found some things, whoops, this guy included, to bring downstairs that they're not using right now. And we've got our babies all looking good. Beds made, little treasures on the windowsill. These are pretty much Jack's favorites right now. And yeah, closet relatively organized. I'm gonna put some clothes away right now. And then I'm gonna finish off by making the bed. And that is all I have time for today. I was hoping to like dust. Are you here? What are you doing? Esme, he's standing in the closet. Go sit on your bed. It's totally fine. Just ask her if it's okay. On your own bed. You have a room, you know.
I don't want Esme to take.
Esme, is it okay if Jack uses your phone? See, all you gotta do is ask. He was standing in my closet with the door closed. What? There, just hop up here. Now you got your own space, you see? It's kind of nice.
A teddy bear.
Yeah, and a teddy bear. There you go. There you go.
Mama can just go right on here.
Perfect. Just rest. There you go. Chill out.
He was gonna. That's your adorable.
Oh, thanks. That's the funniest thing I ever caught on camera. Anyway, what I was gonna say is I had plans to do more, like there's a bunch of laundry that I hadn't folded yet that needs to be folded. Ooh, like several loads worth. But you know, there's always this weekend. So today was my focus was just to like get through as many little tasks as possible to relieve the clutter on our most used floors. So a lot of stuff just got like put into the basement, but I feel like sometimes when you're, you know, doing so many things, like I think so many of us do, you know, I had work to do today, but it was like, no, I have to like tidy so that my family can function. And right now, like there's no clothes in the kids' drawers. Oh, we're rummaging through like clean laundry to find outfits. Like that's just, it's total chaos. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. A couple before and afters never hurt. Did you help me at all today?
Yeah.
You did a little bit actually.
I cleaned up my Nerf gun stick.
Yeah, you did. He cleaned up his Nerf gun and his stick. But actually he did art and things and kept himself busy.
I did that. I hit my dad.
What? No, he didn't. He made a little,
Hello.
What did you make too? You got home from school and you both made, what are they called?
Posters.
Posters. Couldn't think of the word. Anyway, thanks guys for watching. It's almost dinner. I think I've been doing this the entire day. Oh, and it's not even a deep clean. It's like a tidy and... All right, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe if you're new. Bye.